Welcome back to New Look. Today I am going to show a natural remedy for your hair. You believe it or not, eggs have been used on hair since ancient times to stimulate hair growth, strengthen hair strands and also add a shine to your hair. There is a good reason for this because eggs are rich in so many vital nutrients including helpful enzymes, vitamins, minerals and of course proteins. Protein is the main component that makes egg hair mask popular, making it a cheap and easily accessible deep protein treatment for hair right in this comfort for your own home. Now let's going into the procedure. For this hair mask you require curd. Curd must be taken according to your length of the hair. Coconut oil and our main ingredient egg. If you have short hair, 1 egg is enough, but if you have long hair, you must take 2 to 3 eggs. Now getting into the process, take a bowl, heat the egg into the bowl. I'm adding just 2 spoons because my hair is of medium length, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Don't omit this yellow yolk. Mix these 3 ingredients thoroughly. Prepare the mixture like this. See, all 3 together mix. Now take a gloves to your hands and apply this mask on your entire hair from the roots to the tip. Let it sit for 1 hour. If you have hair mask at your home, just take that hair cap and put on your head. This egg is very rich in protein, sulfur, healthy fatty acids and moisture. Egg is one of the best hair mask ingredients. It promotes the growth, nourishes the hair follicles, conditions the knotty hair, softens and moisturizes and tackles the hair fall. Egg hair mask provide an intense protein treatment for luscious soft locks. Also, the coconut oil includes in this reduces the hair protein loss due to the presence of lauric acid inside it, which has a high affinity of hair proteins because it has a low molecular weight and medium chain fatty acids which can penetrate very easily into the hair follicles. This coconut oil is best penetrative and nourishing oil for the hair growth. After sitting 1 hour, wash your hair with mild shampoo. You can feel the smoothie and silky shiny hair after getting dried your hair. If you have the soap seeds at your home, you can wash your hair with that soap seeds because it is very natural, which is available in the market. Now everyone's afraid of having their hair smell like eggs because that's just not an attractive prospect, but in this ultra creamy recipe we are using the yogurt and as well as oil which will effectively cut through and neutralize the odor of the egg. Not only that, yogurt comes with a whole slew of nutrients that are great for hair. The natural fats in the yogurt will help to condition the hair strands, and it will also moisturize the hair, making it look healthier and less breakage. Do try at your home. Hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.